and medicine. Drug. A drug is a substance that acts on the living body to alter the physiological process and are used for prevention, diagnosis, control and treatment of diseases. Sources of drug. There are plenty sources of drugs: the plant source, animal source, mineral sources, microorganism sources, synthetic sources, semi-synthetic sources, and the recombinant DNA technology. The example can be of human insulin and growth hormone. The ideal properties of drugs are: a drug must have appropriate size, electrical charge, shape, and atomic composition. It must have good efficacy and the potency. It must have least adverse effects. The difference between drug and medicine. This is very important for us to understand the both of terms in the definition and the point of view, the amount, potency, compare, and some example of both of these. So the first is drug. Drug is a substance which acts on the body and are used for prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. The medicine is a substance that have definite form and therapeutic use for treatment. The amount of drug doesn't have any definite form and dosage, but the medicine have a definite form and dosage. Drugs are the active potent compound. Medicines are the administrative form of drug. All drugs are not medicines. All medicines are drugs. This line is very important. All drugs are not medicines, but all medicines are drugs. The example of drug can be paracetamol, ranitidine, etc. And the example of medicine is paracetamol 500 mg tablet or Nacopatin or ranitidine 150 mg tablet. Difference between drug and food. Drug is any substance or product that is used or intended to be used to modify or explore physiological states for the benefit of the recipient. The food is the active ingredient of the body which provides energy and enhances the physiological process of the body. Drug does not store energy. Food stores energy. Drug must be excreted from the body. Food can assimilate in the body. The example of drug can be tetracycline, and the example of food can be rice, meat, egg, etc. Prodrug. Prodrug, the drug which do not produce any pharmacological effect until they are chemically altered within the body are called prodrug. Example can be levodopa. Advantage of using prodrug: to avoid toxicity, to increase bioavailability, avoiding first-pass metabolism, reducing local adverse effects of drug, and to overcome pharmaceutical formulation. Placebo, an inactive substance or other form of therapy administered to the patient, usually to compare its effect with those of a real drug or treatment, but sometimes for the psychological benefit to the patient through his believing he is receiving treatment. The inactive substances can be starch, glucose, sucrose, lactose, dextrose, etc. Uses of placebo is to determine the effect of medicine, to control scientific evaluation of drug, to prevent habituation and addiction of drug, to satisfy the patient not by any pharmacological action but by psychological means. Drug accumulation. When doses are given rapidly, the drug will not be immediately eliminated from the body but will accumulate in the body until dosing stops. This is called drug accumulation, that is, drug absorption is more than drug elimination. Drug tolerance. Gradual diminution of tissue response to a drug due to repeated administration is called drug tolerance. The stage of drug tolerance is habituation, addiction, dependence, and tolerance. Drug addiction. It is a state of periodic or chronic intoxication produced by the repeated consumption of certain drugs. Drug addiction may be physical or psychological or both. Drug habituation. Condition resulting from repeated consumption of certain drugs characterized by psychological dependence. Example can be tobacco, caffeine, etc. Drug dependence. On repeated administration of certain drugs, the individual may be both psychologically and physiologically dependent on them. This phenomenon is called drug dependence. The types of drug dependence may be psychic or emotional or physical dependence. Tachyphylaxis. Rapidly developed tolerance due to rapid administration of drug within the short interval of time is called tachyphylaxis. It is less commonly seen than tolerance and also called acute tolerance. Thank you for your patient listening.